lecture auto-tuning, and we learned that there are some functions which require auto-tuning. So in this video we will use one of that function, and that is auto torque boost. Right now the motor is already auto-tuned, so I will go ahead and set the parameter to auto torque boost. I will press mode and I will scroll down to PARDRV number 15. So I see it's manual right now. I'll press enter and I will set it to auto 1. So right now the torque boost is auto. I will put it to forward direction and I will set the frequency to 60 Hz. It's ramping. Just we need to consider one parameter, which is voltage. So when it reached to 60 Hz, we see the voltage is 330 volt. So let me make it 30 Hz instead of 60. So now the speed is reducing, the voltage is also reducing, and at 30 Hz its VFD is supplying 165 volt. I will put the frequency to 5 Hz, and at 5 Hz it's consuming 34 volt. I will stop it and I will go back again to PAR15 to make the auto torque boost manual instead of auto. I will come out and I will make it 60 Hz and I will put it to forward. So at 60 I see the voltage 373. So I will make it 30 Hz and the voltage is 194, where with the auto torque boost function it was 165. I put it to 5 Hz and the voltage is 38 and I will stop it. So this was auto torque boost, and we saw the difference between manual and auto torque boost.